Welcome viewers to my YouTube channel. Today we will see a cash book covering 12 months. I have created separate sheet for each month. The moment we put an entry of cash received for a particular month, that entry will go to that particular sheet. See, I have chosen my current month as April. Let's change this. I'll select my current month as July. So cash received, it will directly take July here, and it will again take us to this user form will take us to the July worksheet. See, July worksheet is on. So now here, if you put an entry, let's suppose 15,000 cash received. It has come here. If I click on this button, you need not go to the first page again and click on cash paid. You can just right from here, you can pick up that user form. Here you say, let's suppose wages. Since our current month is July, this user form has also picked up July. Since this user form, July appears in this user form, this sheet is open for us. If we change this, it will get changed. So wages, we will say, let's suppose 35,000. See, it's deducted. And now, what is the closing balance for this month? For the month of July, the closing balance is 266,500. It should be the opening balance for the next month, that is August, 266,500. Let's go and see. See, you get this. I have not created any formula here. With the help of VBA, I am sending these balances to the next sheet. I'll show you how it is to be done. So, if we do not choose any month here in the current month, then you have to choose from here. For every transaction, you have to choose the month. So, what I have done is, since you can choose and keep this figure, this will be useful for the month of, for the whole month of April. You can use this current. When you enter into May, you can choose this. So let's suppose we are in April. So cash received. See, April cash received is, I'll put 13,500. I'll put. See, round figure. I'll put another. I'll get 2 lakhs. Then I'll go to, from here itself, you can go to payments user form. Payments user form, since our current month is April, April is selected here and here also. So we'll say staff welfare expenses. I'll say this way. Now, what is the closing balance for this month? 1,88,000. The opening balance for May should be 1,88,000. Let's go and see. See, this is 1,88,000. Let's see. Let's move further. if I change or take some entry in the month of May, then for all the subsequent months, the opening and closing balances will change accordingly. Let's suppose I'll put 1 rupee here. See, April month, I'm putting 1 rupee here. See, in the month of May, opening balance has this odd figure, 1 rupee. It is continuing here. This will continue in all the sheets. In all the opening balances will continue. I'll go to October and make a payment of 1 rupee. Let's go to October. I'll show payment of 1 rupee here. So from November, see, from the month of November, the opening balances are back to 0. This is odd 1 rupee here. So whenever you make any change, any entry of cash received or cash spent in any of the months, it will have repercussion on all the subsequent months. Okay, let's move further. We have two user forms. I'm using two user forms here. One is this cash received user form. Another is cash spent user form. Let's go and see how these are to be created. Before that, I would like to show you how to create these small buttons. See, I want to see August. Yes, cash book pertaining to August. I want to go to January. Click on this. You go to January. Click on this. You go to May. How do you create this? I'll show you how to create that. Okay, we'll create one here. Just go to Insert, Illustrations, Shapes. Take some shape. I have taken this one. Give it a color. Okay. Let's suppose this is, we'll call it December. I want to go to December. So bring it here. Right click on this. Go to Assign Macro. New. It is a new code. We'll say worksheets. We are going to December, no? We just write DEC, which is the sheet name, dot activate. Enough. Done. Come back. If I click, I should go to December. This one, this worksheet. See? If I have to go to, see, if I have to go to December and I want full screen there. So to add one more line, we'll add one more line here. So that when you activate the December worksheet, and you should find the full screen. Application display full screen is equal to true. Enough. Application display full screen is equal to true after you activate December sheet. Let's go and see. Now see, it's not looking like this. It is giving you a full screen view only because of that line. Okay, I'll remove these things. Edit. This is how you have to create it. cut, remove. Then we'll go and see how to create these two worksheets. Developer, Visual Basic. See, there are two sheets. These are modules. So cash received. I have renamed this as user form petty cash received. This is the object. If you say, if you want to see the coding, this is the coding. Right click object. How to create this object? Let's see. We have this. There is this. This is your toolbox. This is your toolbox. If you don't find toolbox here, click on this toolbox. And if you want to create a label, these are labels. These are labels. Okay. You can't click on them. You can't click on these also. This is a combo box. This one, combo box. And these two are your text boxes which hold value. Your combo box also will hold value. And these two are your command buttons. You can click on these to make the code run. To run the code, you should click on this. This is again a label. This this is a command button. I have created a command button deliberately so that I'll tell you. I'm running this. See, we are in cash received user form. If I have to go to cash paid user form, then I need not go to the first sheet called menu sheet. I need not go to menu sheet and then activate, then click on payments form. No, not necessary. Just right from here, you should be able to access the payments form. That's why I have created a command button here. Okay, let's go back. This is our cash received user form. So to create text box, just click on this. This is your text box. If you want to create a combo box, click it like this. If you have to create a command button like this, click on this and click here. You have to give coding below this, beneath this button. Okay, I'll show you. Going to move this. For the cancel button, it's easy to give coding. Let's see. Two things are important here. One is just write unload me. Okay. You click on this command button. Click here. Command button is created. Give it a name. See, I'll show that also. Command button. A command button is created here. Select this. Give it a name. I'll create some space here. Okay. Caption. I'll say caption is equal to cancel. See, you have to note one thing here. If I have to change this color or the text here, I have to first select this. Then the particular properties table of this particular button appears here. Now, whatever I do here is applicable only to this button. If I select these two and change the color, if I select these two buttons and change the color, the change is applicable only to these two buttons. Okay, back to original color. Okay, this is how it is done. Here, one more thing which you need to remember is, one thing is the command line is unload me for this. Okay, and another thing is, while you are selecting this, you have to say cancel is equal to true. Originally this is cancel is equal to false. I have converted this to cancel is equal to true. Why? Because when you run this, you can cancel this with the help of click by clicking this button. You can cancel it. Otherwise also you can cancel it with the help of escape. I'm pressing escape, this will go. I'm pressing escape, this will go. So for that, what you have to do is, you have to say cancel is equal to, it should be kept on true. Then with the help of escape also it will go. So next, let's go to this one. Unload me. You are unloading this form and selecting the other form money spent show. Okay, simple. Here you need to understand this a bit. This is the coding which takes us to the selected sheet. If we select MAY May, it will take this to the month of May. Your combo box one is, this is your combo box one. Here we say whatever you select in this is combo box one value, and we have given it a name, and worksheets go to is activated. Okay, then data is sent. As you know, data is sent. This next, this line is important to get data one below another. This is +1 +1, and this is required to give your total amounts. This is, I'm saying its balance amount should be visible there. It slides with every transaction, it slides. Then the column width, I have kept this as 10 and this as 25. Then I'm calling a macro here. Then worksheets, it will select that particular worksheet here. Then screen updating, starting we said false and here we said true. And this is the initialize. This is how the form is appearing at the right side. I said left is equal to application dot left plus 550. If I remove this, then form will, if I totally remove this, then our form will appear in the middle of the page. Okay, this is the coding here. We'll go to next object. This is cash spend. These are all same. Here we are saying unload me and form petty cash received show. It shows the other form. This is the same as the first one. This is to show the your user form to the right side of the screen. That's all. This is how you can build this. This is my website. You can visit my website and see different programs here which will be of interest to you. Click on shop. You can find different programs here. Go and download today. Whatever forms you want to download, you can download here. I have created projects in different fields. Back to our program. Thanks friends. Subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon for getting intimation on my programs. Thank you.